Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Geek. Noise has just launched a new pair of true wireless earphones and it's the Noise Shorts Groove. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and find out how is the performance. So let's start with the quick unboxing first. In the front of the box we have the picture of the product along with the model name here, Noise Groove, and they are the truly wireless earbuds. On the side of the box we have some features such as extra bass, 15 hours of playback time, touch controls, they are IPX5 water and sweat resistant, and the charging case comes with the Type-C port. At the back of the box we have the technical specifications, and here we have the MRP of this product, which is Rs 4,999. However, at the moment it's available for Rs 2,799. Now let's open the box and see the content. So on the top you get this welcome card, which also has the warranty details. And here we have the quick pairing guide, and it also has the info on how to reset these earbuds. And then after that we have the earbuds and the charging case itself. We will look at them in a moment. Let's see what else we have in this box. So in this small box we get the extra ear tips and also the Type-C charging cable. And then in the box you also have this user manual which has the info about the pairing and the touch controls. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earbuds closely. Noise Shorts Groove is the latest truly wireless earbuds from Noise. And talking about the build quality, the earbuds are very lightweight and weighs just 4.4 grams. And they are also made up of good quality material. You get the in-ear design in them, and as you can see, the ear tip of these earbuds are of different style. In terms of the charging case, you get this rubberized texture on the case which gives it a premium look and feel. The size of the charging case is also good. It's not too big or small. The battery capacity of this case is 300 mAh, and with this case you can charge the earbuds 2 more times, giving you total 15 hours of playback time. Now about the charging, so to charge these earbuds you'll have to remove this protective film from here, and then you can insert them in the case and they will start charging. And the earbuds are also magnetically attached to the case. Now in terms of pairing process, it's really simple, and you just have to take both the earbuds out of the case and then it will appear in the available Bluetooth device list. And as you can see, it is paired with our phone. Now let's test the sound quality and we'll see how is the performance. Talking about the comfort first, you get the snug fit from them, and because they are lightweight, they are also pretty comfortable to use. In terms of sound performance, you get surprisingly good bass from them, and the clarity is again very good. And guys, I have listened to different music genres from these earbuds and the performance was really good, and I'm really happy with the overall performance from these earbuds. And as mentioned earlier, that these earbuds supports touch control. So you have single tap to increase or decrease volume, double tap to pause and play music, and triple tap to change the tracks, and also the long press to enable Google Assistant or Siri. And one thing I must tell you, that because the touch area is a bit big, the touch control works pretty well. In terms of overall performance, there is no lag at all while watching videos on YouTube, but noticeable lag while playing PUBG, especially on Android phones. Talking about the call clarity, you get stereo sound while taking calls, and the mic clarity is also pretty decent. So to sum it up, Noise Shorts Groove performs pretty good, you get good design and the build quality from these earbuds. The battery backup is also good, and in one single charge you can get up to 5 hours of playback time, and with the case you can charge them twice, giving you additional 10 hours of playback time. Overall, if you're looking for an in-ear design true wireless earbuds with good sound quality and battery backup, then we highly recommend you to check out these latest Noise earbuds. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy them, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Noise Shorts Groove truly wireless earbuds. Let us know if you like these earbuds in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.